Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 37. Find the gradient of the line joining the points 2, 5 and -2, -3. A minus 8, B minus 4, C minus 2, D 2, E 4. So we have to find the gradients of a line joining the points, these points given. Now, gradient of a line is given as y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now y2 here, this is y2 here is -3. Now let me just represent it like this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is equals to -3, y1 is equal to 5, x2 is equals to -2, and x1 is equals to 2. So from this we have that gradient is equals to y2, which is -3, minus y1, which is 5, all over x2, which is what, -2, minus x1, which is what, which is 2, minus x1, which is 2. And so with this we have that what, -3 minus 5 will give us -8 all over -2 minus 2, which is what, -4. And with this we have that what, -8 divided by -4 will give us what, will give us 2, because this minus will cancel minus, and 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. So the gradient of this line is equal to 2, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.